Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna walking through how to make your group on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Snapchat application and then click on chat and click on this icon here and click on new group and click here to give group name. So I'm giving my group name here, and now here you have to add your group members. So I'm selecting here, so I'm selecting members from here and then click on chat with group, and here we can see a group has been created. So this was the way we can make a group on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.